Hi friends, welcome to free CCNA Packet Tracer Labs for beginners. In this video, we will see how to configure VLANs and trunking with the native VLAN. Before coming to this lab, if you wish to get these type of CCNA videos, consider subscribing, and also don't forget to enable the bell icon so that you will not miss any future videos. Here is our CISCO Packet Tracer. First of all, we will design the topology. We need two switches. We will choose 2960 series. Consider this is S1 and this is S2. Now we needed PCs. We will rename all these PCs. Consider this is IT-PC1. This is IT-PC2. This is HR-PC1. And this is HR-PC2. And here management PC1, management PC2. Connect all these devices. Coming to connections, first we will choose copper crossover. We will connect from S1 to S2. Here we will choose a gigabit port. Click on S1. Connect to gigabit Ethernet 0/1. In S2, gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Now we will choose copper straight through. From S1, FA 0/1, that is fast Ethernet 0/1 to this IT PC1. Then from S2, fast Ethernet 0/1 to IT PC2. Then we will connect HR PCs. So we'll connect to FA 0/7 to HR PC1, FA 0/7 to HR PC2. Then management PCs, FA 0/13 to management PC1. Then from S2, FA 0/13 to this management PC2. Here, these IT PCs, they are in one VLAN. HR PCs, they are in another VLAN. And management PCs, they are in another VLAN. So just here we will highlight those same VLANs. So this is IT PC1 and IT PC2. This is a VLAN 10 IT. And here we will use this address 192.168.10.0/24. Then HRPCs, they are in another VLAN. Here we will choose another color for understanding purpose. HRPC1, HRPC2, VLAN 20, HR, and here we will use 192.168.20.0/24. Management PCs, management PC1 and management PC2. So here VLAN 30 management, and here we will use 192.168.30.0/24 network. Okay, here we'll place a note. This is VLAN 10. So now it's very easy to understand. ITPC2 also in VLAN 10. Then HRPC1 is in VLAN 20. HRPC2 in VLAN 20. Management PC1 is in VLAN 30. Management PC2 VLAN 30. Here all the information are clear. Now we will plan VLAN table, also addressing table. Here is our VLAN table. So VLAN ID, VLAN name, network address, and port assignment. Coming to VLAN ID, we have a VLAN 10. Its name is IT. The network address we will use 192.168.10.0/24. Then port assignment in S1, also in S2, FA0/1-6. That means the first 6 interfaces we will assign to VLAN 10 in both switches, S1 as well as S2. Now VLAN ID 20, VLAN name is HR. Here network address 192.168.20.0/24. Then port assignment in both switches, S1 and S2. FA0/7 till 12. Then VLAN ID 30. Management, we will use 192.168.30.0/24. Then port assignment on both switches, S1 and S2. FA0/13 till 18. We will create 2 more VLANs. One is 99. It's a name we will give unused ports. So network address, it's not applicable. Then port assignment on both switches, S1, S2. FA0/19 till 24. Also G0/2. Also we will create VLAN ID for a native. We will use 999. Native. So this is a trunk. We must assign this native VLAN to trunk. Port assignment S1 and S2. Interface G0/1. Now we will design addressing table for our topology. So here we can see device, interface, IP address, subnet mask, and comments. So here we have S1, S2, then 6 PCs. So in device S1, interface we will assign interface VLAN 30, and here we will use 192.168.30.0/24. 1. VLAN 30 is a management VLAN. Then a subnet mask. So this is a switch virtual interface, SVI. Coming to S2, VLAN 30. Here we will use the second usable IP address 192.168.30.2. Then subnet mask. This is also switch virtual interface. We will add these PCs. IT PC1 NIC, interface is NIC. Then IP address we will use 192.168.10.10. Subnet mask, and we can see this is connected to S1 FA0/1. Then we have IT, it's IT, right? IT PC2 interface is a NIC, and here we will use IP address 192.168.10.11. Then subnet mask, and it's connected to S2 FA0/1. So we can see in this topology, IT PC1 is connected to S1 FA0/1, and it is in VLAN 10. IT-PC2 is connected to FA0/1 in S2, and this port should be in VLAN 10. Next is HR PCs. HR PC1 interface is NIC. Here we will use 192.168.20.10 default subnet mask, and this is connected to S1 FA0/7. Then HR-PC2 interface is NIC. Here we will use 192.168.20.11 default subnet mask, and this is connected to S2 FA0/7. Next is the management PCs. PC1 interface is NIC, and IP address 192.168.30.10. Subnet mask, and this PC is connected to S1 FA0/30. Then management-PC2 interface is NIC. Here we will use 192.168.30.11. So they are in the same subnet. Management, HR the same subnet, IT they are in the same subnets, right? So this is connected to S2 FA0/30. Our addressing table also ready. Here we can see our VLAN table, and this is addressing table. Now back to our packet tracer. Here, first of all, we will create the VLANs on both switches S1 and S2. Coming to S1, enable, configure terminal. We will create VLAN 10. As per our VLAN table, we have VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 99, and VLAN 999. So VLAN 10 is IT, so we'll give the name as IT. Next is VLAN 20, name is HR. VLAN 30, name is management. Okay. VLAN 99, name is unused ports. VLAN 999, name is native. Now we will create on S2. Enable, configure terminal, or in short conft. VLAN 10, name is IT. VLAN 20, name is HR. VLAN 30, name is management. VLAN 99, name is unused ports. VLAN 999, name is native. Now we will assign ports to its respective VLANs. So here we can see FS0/1 till FS0/6 should be in VLAN 10. So we have seen in our VLAN table. Then from FS0/7 till FS0/12, it should be in VLAN 20. Then from FS0/13 till 18 in VLAN 30. So we will assign these ports to its respective VLAN. Coming to S1. First of all, we will go to interface as a range FS0/1 till 6. And here we can see in this switch S1, IT PC1 is connected to FS0/1. So it will be in VLAN 10. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. Now we'll go to interface as a range FS0/7 till 12. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Then go to interface as a range FS0/13 till 18. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 30. Then we have to go to all the unused ports. Interface as a range FS0/19 till 24. Also we have 1 gigabit Ethernet port, that is G0/2. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 99. And we have to shut down all these interfaces because they are not used. Now we will go to interface G0/1. We have to configure the trunk. Okay, we will do that later. We will assign ports to the VLAN in S2 also. We will do it in S2. Interface as a range FS0/1-6. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. Then interface as a range FS0/7 till 12. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Interface as a range FS0/13 till 18. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 30. Now unused ports. interface has a range FA0/19 till 24. Also we have 1 gigabit Ethernet port G0/2. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 99, and we have to shut down all these ports. Okay, so we created VLANs and we assigned ports to its respective VLANs on both switches S1 and S2. Now we have to configure trunk between this switch S1 and S2. Here we can see this interface G0/1 in S1 and G0/1 in S2. So we will configure these interfaces as trunk with native VLAN 999. First of all, we will go to S1 interface. It's G0/1. Switch port mode trunk. Perfect. Switch port mode trunk. And we will get all these messages. Also, we will configure a switch port trunk native VLAN 999. Now we will go to the other side in S2. We should go to G0/1, and here we can see some message blocking gigabit Ethernet 0/1 on VLAN 0001, inconsistent local VLAN. And also here we can see inconsistency ID 999 on gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Okay, we will go to interface. So whenever you get these messages, that is a native VLAN mismatch. So just press tab button from the keyboard. Yes, interface. So here we are getting this VLAN mismatch because one side we configured VLAN native VLAN as 999, and in S2 it is in VLAN 1. So we must change it. And also we can see the mode will be auto in S2 G0/1. So manually we are going to convert to trunk. Interface G0/1. Switch port mode trunk. Also we will set switch port trunk native VLAN 999. So now we can see unblocking gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Port consistency restored. We can verify the configurations on both S1 and S2. Coming to S1, end, show VLAN brief. Here we can see we created these VLANs, VLAN 10 IT, VLAN 20 HR, VLAN 30 management, VLAN 99 unused ports, then VLAN 999 native. And here we can see these ports are assigned to VLAN 10 IT from FA0/1 till FA0/6. Then from FA0/7 till FA0/12 assigned to VLAN 20 HR. And from FA0/13 till FA0/18 assigned to VLAN 30, that is management. And all other unused ports, they are assigned to VLAN 99. Also we can verify show interfaces trunk, and here we can see status trunking with native VLAN 999 and mode is on, manually configured trunk. Coming to S2, end, show VLAN brief, and here we can see those VLANs we created, also port assignments. show interfaces trunk. So G0/1. What is G0/1 is trunking with native VLAN 999. We will assign IP address to these PCs and to this S1 and S2. So first of all, coming to IT-PC1 desktop, IP configuration 192.168.10.10, subnet mask. Coming to IT-PC2 desktop, IP configuration 192.168.10.11. Then coming to HR-PC1 desktop, IP configuration 192.168.20.10. HR-PC2 192.168.20.11. Then management PC1 192.168.30.10. One 192.168.30.11. We will configure SVI on S1. Go to global configuration mode, configure terminal, then interface VLAN 10. Sorry, VLAN 30. So that is management, right? So interface VLAN 30. Okay. Set the IP address 192.168.30.1. Then subnet mask. End. Copy run space start. Coming to S2. Conf T. Go to interface VLAN 30. Set the IP address 192.168.30.2 with the subnet mask. Okay. End. Copy run space start. Finally, we are going to test the connectivity. Here we can ping only in the same VLAN. That means we can ping from IT-PC1 to IT-PC2. It will succeed. We can ping from HR-PC1 to HR-PC2. It will succeed. Then from management PC1 to management PC2. Also, we can ping from management PC to this S1 and S2 because they are the same VLAN. Not only in the same VLAN, also in the same subnet. And here we can when we ping from IT-PC1 to HR-PC2 or HR-PC1, the ping fails. Or if you ping from IT to management, it fails. So we can test the connectivity. We will go to IT-PC1. One 192.168.10.11, and we get the replies. We will try to ping to other VLAN. Ping to 192.168. We'll ping to 20.10. That means we are pinging from IT-PC1 to HR-PC1, and here we can see we get request timed out because they are in different VLAN, they are in different subnet. So we need to communicate. We should keep the router or a multi-layer switch, and we have to configure inter VLAN routing. So we will see that in the coming videos. Also, we will ping to VLAN 30, 192.168.30.10. So here also it's not going to ping request timed out. So once we configure inter VLAN routing, we can ping from one VLAN to other VLANs. So it's failed. In the same way, we can ping from HR-PC1 to HR-PC2. .192.168.20.11, and we get the replies. Also, we can go to management-PC1. Ping 192.168.30.11. Also, we can ping two switches S1 and S2. So it's ping the IP address of S1 192.168.30.1. You may get one or two requests timed out due to convergence. And here we can see we get the replies. Now we will ping to 192.168.30.2, that is S2. And here also first time we may get request timed out, and here we can see we get the replies. And this is the overall ping status in this topology. Okay, perfect. So friends, in this video we have seen how to configure VLANs. I mean how to create the VLANs, then how to configure trunking with native VLAN. Now friends, if you get any trouble or any doubt, you can contact our team. All the details given in the description below. Stay safe, stay connected, and we will meet again with the next video. Thank you.